Hi there. Here's how to change the valve that is integrated in the blowpipe. There are various manufacturers, McCallum, Hardie's. This is a Hardie's, but they're all in principle the same thing. There is a valve fitted on the inside of the blowpipe. You can hear it there. So to change the valve, you need to unscrew this piece here. This moves out of the blowpipe. Now, after use or after continuous use, this can be very tight. So you'll require some pliers and possibly a rubber glove so that you can grip the blowpipe. I have a Dyson patch. I don't have rubber gloves with me, so I just use a Dyson patch to grip the blowpipe, and then take the pliers and hold tight until it releases. It can be tight, and then unscrew this piece here, and it will reveal the valve. This rubber valve can be replaced. We have spares, and this will sit on the inside here, and then replace. As easy as that. Like I say, it can be very tight, so use a rubber glove or a piece of Dyson, something rubber to grip, and then pliers, and then turn. Okay?